In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Samsung phone not receiving calls. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. It's going to show up your control panel. Then just make sure you're not on airplane mode. If you're on airplane mode, you're not going to be able to receive anything like texts, calls, anything like that. So you want to make sure you're off on airplane mode. Next thing you want to do is just make sure you're not on silent mode, because if you have notifications off and your volume is all the way at the bottom, that might be why you're not receiving any calls. But what you finally want to do is go over and press the settings wheel on the top right. So go ahead and click on that. Then go to connections, which has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and SIM manager. Then once you click on that, you're going to see a lot more things. You want to scroll down until you're at SIM manager. So just click on that. Make sure your SIM is properly activated, and then make sure it's properly in the slot. If you're using an eSIM, make sure it's activated as well. Then on the bottom, you're going to see more SIM settings. Make sure your SIM is not locked. If your SIM's locked, it's just not going to work properly. And then after you reset your phone, you should be good to go. The final step I'd mention is scrolling all the way down in your settings, going to software update. If you have a software update available, go ahead and download and then install it, because it might just be a little bug where you're not receiving calls. After you've done and downloaded it, installed the update, all you got to do is restart your phone, and then you should be good to go, and your phone should start receiving phone calls again. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.